Trumpets, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be Synco Rock by Mr. John O'Reilly. And today, we're going to be reviewing Trumpet 1 sheet music. So grab that piece of music called Synco Rock and let's get started. So the beginning of this piece, or the introduction, is the first 12 measures. The entire song is in 4/4 time and the tempo is allegro. I've got my metronome set to allegro, 110 beats per minute, and I'm ready to play our introduction. Like I said, it's the first 12 measures. Now, the thing about this piece is the key signature has no sharps or flats. So B naturals, F naturals, E naturals, but because of the style of the piece being a piece of music in the genre rock, we're going to make sure that we're using some alternate keys as well. We'll be using an E flat in measure 10. That's our second and third valve. And then occasionally we'll also be using a B flat, first finger. Notice those moments as we go by and make note of the notes that will, or make a note in the music to remind yourself of when you need your B flat fingering, your B natural fingering, or even your E flat fingering. Let's get started. The first 12 measures, and there's rests up front. I'll count those rests, and then join me in measure 4 for our B natural second valve. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, ready, and... That's certainly a challenging introduction. So let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, ready, play. Rest. You may need to work that section a few times on your own, and that's certainly okay. Set a metronome to give you a solid, steady beat, and then work out the notes and rhythms. Let's continue on section 13, from 13 to 19. In this section, remember we're still using our B natural second finger. 1, 2, 13, and rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Let's play section 13 one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Now we're at section 19. This section requires us to play a B flat in measure 19. In measure 21, there's an F sharp. That's second finger. Mark that note if you need to. And then in measure 23 and 24, we're back to our B natural second valve. So the only B flat that I see is in measure 19. Here we go, 19 to 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. 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 Let's play that section one more time for some more practice. 19. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. Now we're up to section 27. And This section is a lot like section 13, so if you played it right earlier, you'll probably be good for this section. 27 to 33, start on high note D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4. Great. Count those rests even when you're in your band ensemble. Now we're at section 33 and we're going to go to section 41. We've got a B flat in measure 35 and 2 B flats in measure 39. 1, 2, 33. Ready, go. Rush. Let's play that section one more time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 33, and rush. Definitely a challenge. So, if there's any sections to this point that you've needed some extra help on, I'm hoping that you're rewinding that video and working the section a few times. You may even need to rewind the video and just listen and watch your music. That will help you identify the rhythms that you'll need to put back into place, and you can review and play along again. Also, remember that you can always pause the video and work things out with a metronome on your own. That's also very, very helpful. Let's continue on where we left off. We're at section 41 and we're going to go to section 49. In this section, we've got some B flats in measure 44, but in measure 47, those Bs are natural. Here we go, 41 to 49. 1, 2, ready, 2, 3, 4, rush. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we're at section 49. This section goes to 57, and in measure 54 uses an E flat fingering. Mark it if you need to. 49, 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, rush. At 57, this section is a section that we've already played, back at 27 and back at 13. It starts on the high note D, and it uses B natural fingerings up to measure 62, where we have a B flat. 1, 2, 57, ready, and rush. 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, stop. And now we're at our final section. Section 65 to the end. In measure 68, that's a B natural. And then in measure 70, we've got an E flat. So I hope this has been helpful. Join me for this last section, 65 to the end. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, ready, And there you have it. All the way through Synco rock, from section to section to section. Remember, you can rewind this video and you can review it as many times as you need to build your confidence and to build the correct notes and rhythms so that when you play in your band, you can sound just as good as the entire rest of the trumpet section. So good luck with this challenge. I know you can achieve it, and I hope to see you again soon. Keep practicing.